So hello friends. Now I will cover the full topic. So I was I was discussing about what were the challenges. What are the challenges in UNSC? So in UNSC I discussed that there should be more permanent seats in the UNSC so that there should be more representation from not only from the Europe, as we can see that from the Europe there are two members. There are two permanent members from the Europe, that is France and the UK. So what I mean to say that there should be more representation not only from the Europe but also from the Asia and from the South America and from the Africa, especially from Africa, because there is no representation in P5 category from the African continent. And if you'll see that there are five P5 countries from North America, that is USA, from Europe, UK and France, from Asia, there are Russia and China. So there should be equal representation in UNSC so that each and every country can safeguard its interest, as well as they can bring a proper solution of the challenges which are which are right now the world is facing. So that is this is the solution, and the second is that there is a dominance. The second challenge in the UNSC is the dominance of P5 nations. Like if there is a resolution comes in the UNSC, and if the P5 nation, one of each one of the P5 nations is not agree on the resolution, so the easily resolution will be rejected due to the veto power. And yeah, I discussed the less representation. So now let's talk about the solutions. In the solution, I also discussed here, like P5 nations. So the representation of P5 nations should be increased, not only for the P5 nations but also the representation of non-permanent members also should be increased. Like there should be representation from Southeast Asia, from Africa, and from South America, especially because from South America there is no representation, as well as from African continent. So representation should be increased. And otherwise, if there is not any consensus that the permanent seats should be increased, so second solution is that the veto power should be destroyed from the should be snatched from the all P5 nations. If there would not be any permanent seats, then there will be no dominance in the UNSC. And each and every resolution will be discussed unanimously and by the voting. So there can be a solution also that the veto power should be destroyed or snatched from the P5 nations. So this is all about the UNSC. And now I will give the solution that in UNSC there should be each and equal representation from all the countries, from all the continents. And the you know the issues of the world should be discussed, you know uh, through the voting basis, so that they can reach on a you know s- uh, on a logical solution of the problems or challenges. Like we have seen that, as I discussed earlier, that if any resolution comes in the UNSC and it is not in the favor of P5 nations, so it will definitely use veto power. We can take the example of Russia Ukraine war. When the P5 when the world community or Europe or West brought a resolution in UNSC to stop the Russia's aggression on Ukraine. So in that case, Russia used its veto power to reject the resolution. Means the UN was not able to uh, resolve the issues of Russia and Ukraine war. So at the last, the resolution come in General Assembly, and the resolution was passed, uh, in the favor of Western countries. So you can see how the you know how the veto power is affecting the world's peace and stability. So if there is a veto power, so there should be equal representation. Otherwise, if there is not veto power, means veto power can be destroyed from all the P5 countries, or so that the decisions could be taken, can be taken unanimously or by the voting. So thank you and Jai Hind.